Today I'm gonna be talking about how to use souka in Japanese. Let's get started. Souka is a casual way to say "そうですか?" Both of them mean "oh I see" or "oh I get it" in English. We usually use them when we receive information from our friend or talk about something we didn't know before with our friend. Souka is one of aizuchi, which are phrases that we use to get conversations going on, so it's pretty useful if you ask me. In examples, 東京まで電車で30分だよね。急行なら20分だよ。そうか、じゃあ急行にしよう。月曜日お昼食べない？月曜テストあるの忘れたの？あ、そうか。じゃあ火曜日は？ As I mentioned in the previous videos, it's really common to say "ah" to start a sentence. This can also be used before saying souka. It's also common to say "sokka" instead of souka. It sounds softer and a bit more casual, so feel free to mix it up and use both with your friends. Souka? If you say raise a pitch at ka, it will sound like a question like really or is it so in English. This is also a common phrase we use as aizuchi with our friends. In examples, 早起きするのいいよね。午後眠くなるじゃん。そうか、俺は好きだけどな。Be careful though, it can also sound like you are doubting or questioning something. So it is recommended using it when you are in a situation when an opinion presented is different from yours. Also, some might think that souka sounds a bit strong, so you can also say so as an alternative for souka. It sounds a bit softer than souka. And that's it for today. In this video, I showed you guys how to use souka in Japanese. They are very useful phrases, and once you get used to using it, your Japanese will definitely sound more natural. In this channel, I upload videos about Japanese expressions, especially casual ones. So if you're currently studying Japanese and want to speak Japanese like locals, this channel should be helpful. Also, if you want to keep updated for this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.